In this tutorial I will show you how to make reflection and shadow in Photoshop. Press Ctrl J, duplicate copy image. Press Ctrl T. Right-click and choose Flip Horizontal. Adjust accordingly. Right-click again and choose Wrap. Follow the process. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. This amount is good for this image, click OK. Add a layer mask on this image. Choose Gradient tool. From Basic, choose Color and Transparent. Click and drag it to top. Create a new layer. Choose Brush tool. Press Ctrl T, hold Shift and adjust it accordingly.
Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.